What does it truly mean to create knowledge? For centuries, humanity has looked for answers in the wonders of life and the mysteries of our own minds. At first glance, the intricate adaptations of living organisms and the power of human reasoning seem worlds apart. But at their core, both are born through a process of evolution, alternating variation and selection, refinement and critique. This is how information expands, whether in the biosphere or in the mind. Through the history of science, one question has always lingered: how does knowledge come to exist? Creationism, for instance, offers supernatural designers, but sidesteps the real problem. It cannot explain how knowledge is generated. Likewise, spontaneous generation imagines life springing from lifeless matter, yet cannot account for the origin of the configuration, the information, required to shape a living being. Early explanations like Lamarckism suppose that traits acquired during an organism's lifetime could be passed on. But these fail to address the reality that adaptations in knowledge cannot be derived mechanically from experience. They require conjecture, new ideas proposed and tested, much like Darwin's theory of evolution. In nature, random mutations create variation. Natural selection filters them. Only those genes best at spreading themselves through population survive, regardless of benefits to species or individual. Sometimes, evolution even favors traits harmful to both, simply because they replicate more efficiently. Human knowledge shares surprising similarities with genetic evolution. Both genes and ideas are replicators. They cause copies of themselves to persist. Yet human knowledge can be explanatory. It reaches far beyond the immediate context, while biological adaptations are confined to the circumstances of their evolution. Memes, ideas that replicate, can spread through cultures much like genes through populations. Non-explanatory knowledge evolves by imperfect copying, often through elegant expression rather than accuracy. But explanatory knowledge advances through creativity and improvement, striving to be hard to vary while fulfilling its purpose. Even our laws of physics have been subject to arguments of fine-tuning, suggesting their perfection for life points to supernatural design. But such reasoning fails to address the mechanism, how the information was actually created. Anthropic explanations, which invoke an infinite number of universes, offer partial answers, but leave gaps when it comes to specific detail and explanatory power. In the end, every false explanation, creationism, spontaneous generation, Lamarckism, falls short, precisely because they undervalue genuine creation. Neo-Darwinism and its counterpart in the Popperian theory of knowledge recognize the essence of creation, a process deeply unpredictable and profoundly creative. This is the beauty of science, the relentless pursuit of specific, testable explanations, always building from the unknown to the known. Viewed through this lens, the evolution of life and the growth of human understanding are not separate miracles. They are chapters of the same story, the creation of knowledge from nothing, shaped by error, refined by criticism, and illuminated by the ongoing discovery of new possibilities. This is, in its deepest sense, the beginning of infinity.